Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually remove food from your food list on MyFitnessPal. So once and as always, go ahead and open MyFitnessPal on your phone or PC. So if you have phone, just download it using App Store or Google Play and then create your account. If you have PC like me, just go ahead and open myfitnesspal.com on any kind of browsers just by typing it on the URL section and then create your account. It will not take even 5 minutes of your time. Now, how we can actually remove food from our list? So basically when you open the page for the first time, it will be something like that. So go ahead and click on food. And from here, you will find this food diary database, my food, my meals, recipes, settings. So if you went to my foods and we search, for example, for something like, I don't know, eggs or like hot dog. So let's click on search. Now we wait, we don't find anything because I don't have any recipe. So let me just go here real quick and click on add food. So let me search for hot dog over here. And here, let me choose this one. So add to food diary. And now, if you can see here, hot dog bun or hot dog one bun has been added. Here you can see the different informations like calories, carbs, fat, protein, sodium, sugar that I have been consuming in this hot dog. So there's a bunch of information. But overall, how you can remove this, for example, if added by accident or this is the wrong hot dog, so how you can remove it? Just go ahead and follow this line and go to this red circle. So just click on it just like so, I have removed the hot dog from my food list. Yeah, guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.